Good morning. Sunday morning. It's May 4th, last day of the season here in Kentucky for turkeys. Got kind of mixed emotions. Had a couple birds roosted over here to my left. I don't think it was any toms. I just heard them fly down this morning, but we only heard one gobble. Got a bunch of other weird birds. Between 7 and 7:30, the sun's just now starting to come over the hills and hit this field that I'm in. Like I said, I've got mixed emotions about today. This location. Season's been funny. Yesterday when I left, I thought, well, we hit it here. Don't do any good. We'll try a couple other places. The sun didn't come with me this morning, and part of me's like, well, hang around here for a while. If nothing happens, to go to a couple other places. Another part of me's like, hey, let's just call it the season. So I'm just gonna kind of wait and see what happens. And that happened so fast. All I can say is the Lord really blessed me on this hunt. We was sitting here earlier, probably about 5-10 minutes before those birds came in. Actually, when I heard a gobble, I thought it was behind me. I just stood up and looked behind me. Stood up and looked out the back of the blind here, looking for a bird, and did not see it. I no more than sit down and looked, and here they come up out of the ditch. I'm going to go out here and look at this bird. Hey, even though it's a jake, you know, it's a bird. And it's been a couple years since I've shot one. So, hey, you know, like I said, the Lord bless me. You all don't know how happy I am. This is the first bird I've taken in, Lord, 2-3 years better. I took one, I think the last bird I took with archery, oh Lord, it's been 2010, 2011. Even though this is a jake, hey, you know, it might be a jake, but it's still a trophy, especially when you're hunting with archery equipment. I can't say enough of these Raven broadheads. When I shot this bird, I actually thought I missed it first. I mean, this bird went right down, which really surprised me. I mean, I can't say enough of these broadheads. I mean, as you can see, I did get a good shot on him. And like I said, those Raven broadheads took him right down. You know what, I think I can get done, get everything packed up. I might be able to actually get home and make it to church. So, hey folks, I appreciate you being with me. Until next time.